Do you want to start a Faceless YouTube channel side hustle to be able to start making 1.2k per month like these 4 Faceless YouTube channels? Do you have no editing experience, a limited budget, and limited time? Well, this is what my subscribers asked, and unfortunately, the 4 examples I showed before required an extremely high caliber editor, which either takes years to practice and master, or a massive budget. As my subscribers have been asking me, they want a simple Faceless YouTube channel niche that they can start making videos from with 0 experience. What if I was to tell you, guys, I found the niche, and this channel, 1 Minute Animals, is in that niche and is turning over 50,000 per month. So I've replicated one of their main videos and one of their short videos in under an hour using one AI tool that allows you to generate a video just from a script using AI, which is incredible. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. As always, there's a Google Doc in the description, and for the value, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. So the channel we're going to be replicating is 1 Minute Animals, and the reason why we're going to be doing this is because they've gained an insane amount of views on really simple to make videos, and there's barely any competition, so this is a perfect opportunity. Come in and steal some of their views. So now we found a niche of video we're going to make. You're going to need a tool called vidIQ, and we're going to come on and use this tool to spy on their channel to figure out what videos are performing best, so then we can start by making those. So once you have vidIQ downloaded, you can come onto their channel, click this little logo here, view trending videos, and it will pop up the best performing videos on their channel at the moment. And as you can see, 2 of the 5 are talking about dogs, and this is what we're going to be making in this video. So I'm going to show you the example of what we're going to create using this one AI tool. So this is the type of video we're going to create.
German Shepherds have a nose for success, literally. Their exceptional sense of smell makes them great candidates for search and rescue missions, detective work, and even sniffing out the hidden treats you tried to hide from them. Move over, Sherlock Holmes. German Shepherds are the ultimate.
So once you've created this long form video, with one click of a button, you can turn it into a short. And let me show you the example of the short.
German Shepherds have a nose for success, literally. Their exceptional sense of...
Step 1, we need to get the script. So we're going to go to Chat GPT and you're going to ask it to write 5 short educational facts about dog breed or a type of animal, and then comma, be witty. And as you can see, Chat GPT has spat out 5 points plus a little summary quote, which is perfect. So what we need to do is just copy this from Chat GPT, and we need to just open a Google Doc and paste it in there. And then boom, paste it in there. And then all you have to do is just highlight the entire thing, normal text it, and then because it's bullet pointed, we just have to back each bullet point back. And there you go, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and then the summary. So that is it, that's your script done. So step 1, tick. Now time for step 2. So now we're going to create a voiceover using 11's Lab. You can actually create the voiceover inside this video editing app itself, but I'll show you how to do that later on in the video. So Google 11 Labs, and then click the top link. And then it's as easy as voice, we'll keep it Adam, voice settings, we'll keep it neutral, and then we just want to paste the script into here, click generate. So now the voiceover is done. All you have to do is you click download and you'll have your voiceover saved down here. It's time for step 3. So now we've got a script and we've turned it into a voiceover. It's time to actually generate the video. And what's insane about this tool I'm going to show you is that you can generate an entire video with 1 click. So let me show you how. So first of all, you need to just Google invideo.io. And then we're going to be creating a new video using the AI text to video option. So click this. And here it will bring you to a huge selection of different templates that you can use to generate the video. And for my template, I use the travel destinations, but have a little look around. Don't exactly copy what I did step by step, because obviously then everyone will have exactly the same videos. So to go along with my video, I'm going to use the travel destination promo. And then this just gives you an example of the different scenes that you'll get. As you can see, then you just want to make sure you choose landscape and then click use template. So this part, you can either ask AI to write your script for you, or you can just grab the script that we made earlier and you just want to drag this, copy your script from Google Doc, paste it into there. And then along the bottom here, you want to use iStock and Premium. And then this will allow you to generate the best, most engaging footage for the videos. and just click create scenes. This will generate the video for you, and that's literally it. In one click, you can turn your script into a video. So this is definitely the most beginner-friendly software to use. So it's as easy as that. In one click, it's generated a video, and as you can see, it's just loaded in a bunch of different images. It's got the text, got the animations, and it's got the baseline for you to edit a really engaging video. So let me show you what it looks like as a baseline. Now it's time to make the video more engaging. First of all, we need to bring the voiceover that we created in 11's lab into the timeline. So let me show you how to do that. Up the top here, you have three options. You've got editor, collaborate. So we want to go into editor, and then we want to go into voiceover. Then we want to go into import from uploads, and then we want to just drag and drop this right there. Then you could just drag and drop the voiceover onto the timeline. So this is essential because it allows you to time the text with a voiceover. To create the voiceover actually in invideo, go down to voiceover, click automatic text to speech, and you'll be able to select what you want the voiceover to sound like: English, neutral, voice name, and then click generate. And then once it generates the section, just click add, and it will add it to your timeline. And then you can just adjust the playhead to make sure that the text is in line with the speech.
German shepherds have a nose for success. Literally.
First of all, they have a delay for the text to come up. So you just go into, double click this, drag and drop the box, and drag and drop the element. And then go back, put your cursor back at the start and see.
German shepherds have a nose for success. Literally. They're exceptional.
Then we want to look in the timeline, and we want to have this bit end there. So we'll zoom in, and as you can see, that is when the literary finishes. So that would be the next sentence. So then we want to scroll back up, and we want to drag that first box to end there. So now we're in line for the first scene. Let's look at it.
German shepherds have a nose for success.
So then what we're going to do is go back to storyboard, and we're going to adjust the script so we exaggerate the literally. So we want the literally to come up on a text box on its own. So how you do that is just click the box here, and then put your cursor in front of it, and then click these two arrows here, and it will drop this into a box on its own. And then for engagement, going to highlight text word. So German shepherds is the topic, so let's highlight this. We'll click highlight, and it's simple as that. And then to change the highlight color, if you'd like to, you can come onto the text and then click highlight color, and then we'll make this yellow. And then you can just click replace all, and then all your future highlights will be exact same shade of yellow. And then we'll go back to the script, and then we're going to highlight literally as well. So just click highlight. Now this is what it looks like.
Shepherds have a nose for success.
And now we just need to change the video. So in video, we'll try to match the text with a picture. It's not always accurate, but it's pretty good, and it's a baseline for what you need. However, InVideo gives you access to high quality HD videos and also music. So we're going to be utilizing this for this video. Videos are much more engaging to watch, and I prefer watching videos rather than pictures. So we're going to go onto the left-hand side column, click videos, and then we're going to search German Shepherd. And this is going to bring up a huge library of videos, which you can then just drag and drop straight into your timeline. For this scene, the most engaging video of a dog has got to be a puppy. So the first scene of our video is going to have to be German Shepherd puppies. So let's see if we can find one. Scroll down, and look, perfect. So because I've done this before, I'm slightly cheating because I know what video clips I'm already going to use. So I'm going to drag and drop this straight onto the timeline, and then you get two options. You want append media or replace. So we're going to go for replace because we want it to fit the timings that we've already established. So click replace, and make sure to drag and drop the timeline to the point where you want. So as the puppy pops up here, let's drag this to here, and then click play. We'll just drag it a little bit further back. Then we just click add. And it is literally as easy as that. So let's click play now.
German shepherds have a nose for success. Literally.
That is the scene done. So we've added videos, music, voiceover, and we've highlighted the text, and it automatically does the transitions and all the animations for us. So now you just need to do this for every single scene. Go through, change the video, highlight the text, and work from there. So let me just quickly show you this, and I'll just speed this up just so you get an example of the workflow. Okay, we're back. So that was literally, what, 5 minutes? Not even that. So let's see what we've achieved.
German shepherds have a nose for success. Literally. Their exceptional sense of smell makes them great candidates for search and rescue missions, detective work, and even sniffing out the hidden treats you tried to hide from them.
It's literally crazy. It's this easy. It makes editing so fast. You can just drag and drop. Because you guys have reached out and asked me about how to edit videos, especially for beginners, I've had a 52-year-old and I've had a 60-year-old granny email me wanting to get started with YouTube and a beginner-friendly application. And this is it. So Final Cut Pro cost me £300. iStock footage, just to be able to have access to this footage, costs £170 per month. And then for the royalty-free music, I use Epidemic Sound, which is another £20 a month. So all of this can be very, very expensive. This will add up to over $400 or $500, and then monthly it's like $200-300, which is insane. But invideo has all of this for either $15 or $30, which is literally incredible value. And I reached out to them and actually managed to get them to sponsor this video and give you guys a discount code. So if you use the code JS25, you're going to get 25% off. So you'll get the unlimited plan for $22.50 per month, which is literally an insane steal when you add up all the value that you get. So if you want to sign up and try this, you get a 7-day money-back guarantee. It'll be the first link in the description. Now we've added videos, engaging text, automated animations, it's time to add the graphics. Let's go back to the Google Doc. So now we're going to add extra graphics for engagement. Let me show you what I mean. So there's a section of the script that says, move aside, Einstein. German Shepherds are brainiacs in fur. Talking about move aside, Einstein, let's add a graphic animation of Einstein himself sliding on screen and then moving aside. So let me show you how we can do this. So we're going to go to storyboard, then we go to images, and then they also have a huge selection of pictures. So you can just go here and you search Einstein. Click this image, drag and drop it. Don't this time add it to the rectangle, add it just outside to the main image, and it'll add it as a layer. And then we want to move this here. And then because this obviously looks really bad with a background, they've got an automatic background remover. So you click remove background, single object, and then it will work its magic and completely remove the background for you. And then once it's done, you literally just click done, and there we go. Now we've got Einstein on screen. So to be able to do the animation, it's as simple as we want to do a bounce in from the left, and then we animate it to slide out on the right to right big. Okay, let's see what this looks like.
Move aside, Einstein. German Shepherds are brainiacs in fur. They have an...
There you go.
Move aside, Einstein.
And now we just need to highlight the script. So we're going to go move aside, Einstein, highlight that. And then brainiacs in fur, highlight this. And then all we have to do is just change the video, which is the same as before. We'll search German Shepherd, and then we'll find a cute video. So I already know that there's a cute one, this one here. There you go. So click replace, and then this dog does a little cute head turn. There you go, look at that. And then we'll just add that to there, replace it. And then look, that's that editing section done. And then all we have to do is go into editor, double click this footage, make sure drag and drop the text all the way to the left, all the way to the left. And then again, we're just going to unlock this overlay and then just literally delete it. Okay.
Move aside, Einstein. German Shepherds are brainiacs in fur. They have an impressive...
Perfect. So now all you have to do is just apply those changes to every scene, and that will be your video done. And because it's only a minute long, I guarantee this will literally take you 30 minutes max, an hour if you're super slow. Now you have a viral worthy video within the niche that you can start posting and start making money like 1-minute videos. And if you watch to the end, I'm gonna show you how to use the exact same affiliate program that they're using to make tens of thousands of dollars from these views. Okay guys, so here is the final video. Now I've done every single scene, so let me show you.
German Shepherds have a nose for success, literally. Their exceptional sense of smell makes them great candidates for search and rescue missions, detective work, and even sniffing out the hidden treats you tried to hide from them.
As you can see, everything lines up with the text. I've added a couple extra graphics.
Sherlock Holmes, German Shepherds are the ultimate canine detectives.
And I've done this for every single scene, all the way through, made it super engaging.
Hide and seek. So there you have it, German Shepherds, the four-legged geniuses who can crack cases, speak multiple languages, and keep your home safe while making you laugh with their wit. Who knew education could be this entertaining?
There we go, and that's that video completely done, and it's literally so simple. I can't believe that I've managed to find a software that allows you to create videos this easily. So make sure to go check it out, try it out, and let me know what you think of it. So now to export this full video, just click export up in the top right corner, and there's literally an insanely valuable hack where when you export it, you can then convert it into a short. So you can create one video and then turn it into a short with one click of a button. Here you are. So now while it's rendering, click auto resize for social media, this option here, and then you want to click portrait. And then like it says in the Google Doc, convert the video to portrait using blur mode. So let me show you what that means. So as you can see, this image here is too wide, so you can't actually see the full shot. So all you have to do is click, and then you just have to do fit type, and then fit with blur. And then there you go. And then just go to the next scene, and then again, fit type, fit with blur. All you have to do for the text boxes, there we go, perfect. And then we can just drag this up because you're gonna have like the subscribe button and the like button here. So always wanna make sure that you don't have that approaching. So then every scene, just go like that. Again, same for this one. We'll drag this over here. Make sure that the text is unlocked, and then we'll drag this over to here and then shrink it down. Perfect. And again, be mindful of the fact that you're going to have the subscribe buttons and stuff here, so you can always add the text up top if you'd like. And remember, once you have the paid plans, when you export it, the iStock footage will not be there. And you go through and you can do this for every single scene. You literally just adjust the text box, click on it, drag it, shrink it. Perfect. Look. And then for the graphics, all you have to do is just remove them, and they will keep all their animations and everything.
Move over, Sherlock Holmes.
Perfect. And then once you've done with this, you just click download again, and you're able to export the short that you've just created, and then just click export. There we go. And then once they're done, this is when you can go onto YouTube and upload it. So you've stuck around to the end. This is the bonus strategy, which I talk about here in step 7. So how is 1 Minute Animals actually, 1, having success with their videos, and 2, able to monetize outside the YouTube partner program? So let me show you 2 secret hacks that they're utilizing. So on their shorts videos, if you look very carefully, you can see at the bottom, they're actually tagging other popular pages. So whether they're doing this when they upload it and they're just writing it manually, whether this adds to the SEO of the videos, I'm not sure, but this is definitely worth trying. And then secondly, they've got an affiliate program which they're using ClickBank, and every single video they add this as a link. You can see here, check out our favorite course to train your dog. And I found this affiliate program on ClickBank, and it's earning $42.45 per conversion. If you go onto Social Blade and you look at their statistics, you can see that in the last 30 days they've gained 23 million views. And then if you go on the average conversion rate for affiliate marketing on YouTube, it says 2 to 5%. So we're going to round this down massively to 0.001%. So if you plug in the numbers of $42.50 and the amount of views that they got with a conversion rate of 0.001%, and Google says it's anywhere from 1 to 5%, that's over 10,000 for just that small conversion of people to go on that course and get that. So as you can see, the Google AdSense is only a minor fraction of the earnings that you can actually get from YouTube. And the main money that people get from YouTube is through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling products. So whenever you guys are saying, how do you get into the AdSense program? I would worry about just gaining views, because views equals eyeballs, eyeballs equals money. So that is a wrap on the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. So invideo sponsored this video, is my second ever sponsor. So please, if you enjoy the channel, go check out invideo. Use my code JS25 and let me know how you get on with this editing software. I'll see you guys next week. Your boys Gonskis.